Quick review of the exponent rules. The first rule we learned was about the product rule. When you have two numbers of the same base being multiplied, you add their exponents. The quotient rule is when you have two numbers of the same base being divided, you subtract their exponents. There then was the product rule, that when you have a number with an exponent and then you have the exponent outside the parentheses, you multiply power of a power. Then there is the rule that is the negative exponent rule, which states that any number to a negative exponent is the same as 1 over that base to a positive exponent. The opposite is also true, that when you have a number to 1 over a base to a negative exponent, it is the same as flipping it to a positive exponent. This is the negative power rule. And then the last but not least is the 0, which is anything to the power of 0 is 1. So now let's combine our understanding. We have 3 to the 8th power. Sorry, that should be times. We don't have a rule for the subtraction right now. Times 3 to the 4th power. That would be 3 to the 12th power. Remember, when two numbers of the same base are being multiplied, you add their exponents. Being divided by 3 squared times 3 to the 0 power. That is the same as 3 to the 12 minus 2 times 3 to the 0, which equals 3 to the 10th times 3 to the 0, which is equal to 3 to the 10th times 1, which is 3 to the 10th.